there's one more thing.
Okay, hello everybody, and we are on Bonk. And me and Cody, again, I'm not going to show his entire face, but we just went on a swing ride, and now we're just going to continue walking. Can I sit in there? Huh? Can I sit?
What are you sitting there?
I'm filming for YouTube, Cody.
No one cares about your stupid videos.
Someone's gonna comment about you. I have like 100 subscribers, so what are you talking about?
Have all the scary parts of it, covered up.
Okay, so
On that horse ride over there.
You want to do it?
yeah, not yet, but now we're going to just walk around and
Did it?
no, and now we're just gonna
You went on the Buccaneer?
I didn't. I'm going as a
Hang on a big swing.
well, it's kind of scary. Okay, comment down below if you think that thing's really scary.
Sit with your friends.
What do you want to do? Go on that.
Coast Waddle. Coast Waddle.
Ghost Rider, you're welcome.
I didn't say ghost.
So I paid
I just want to ride with Cody.
I said I did. Yeah, he's too scared. Don't make him go. Okay. I'm just gonna look for one. Okay. So, yeah. I'm just gonna find something.
Oh, we went on the carousel last time.
Oh yeah, if we go
I
on
don't want to go on anything.
if we go on the carousel, then I can film that.
Where are you going?
Carousel. But when I'm not filming, I'll tell you some stuff that I'll go on. Okay? Okay. Capiche? Capiche. Let's go. I want to go in the carousel. Let's go in the carousel. It's going to be so much fun. Okay. It looks like Peanut from Minecraft. Oh. No? It looks like Peanut from Minecraft. OMG. Where is line? Someone tell me where the line is.
This is a lot of seats, though.
Yeah, we're just gonna end up getting an ugly one. Today will be the day that me and my viewers will go in a carousel. Together forever, right? Yeah. I feel like I'm talking to myself right now. Okay. Yes, I am not lying. I am actually going on
This
this.
time I'm going to try to put him in one of the ones where you just sit next to the little seat.
Oh my god, I'm nervous. We're going to go on a carousel. And Jackson is too.
I want to sit with him there. You didn't like the pony that much,
Don't hang up. There's a lot of seats.
$4 at the mall for one ride.
Right here. Will somebody buckle me?
There's another seat on the other side.
But Mom, will you buckle me?
There's none on the other side? Well, that's why I said go to the other side.
Okay, somebody buckle me on this one. This one. This one. Okay. Yeah, I'll go on the zebra. I'm going on the zebra. That's a little too tight. Thanks. Warning, I do get scared on these things. Okay, I'm ready. If only we could tame a zebra in Minecraft. This would be awesome. Go on that later. Okay, so 7 minutes, 6 seconds and start. So I'm probably gonna go on most of the rides without you guys like seeing, because I'm probably gonna go on like Montezuma and stuff, and I can't really hold the thing while I'm on those. So yeah, that explains that. Are we going? Are we going yet? That water is so pretty. It looks pink from here, but it's actually blue. I want to break the wheel. Okay. Forever to post, because I post stuff on my phone and I film on my phone. So okay. This is gonna take forever to post, because how much time do I have left? I'm trying. I'm thinking. Okay. So, if you guys can't hear me, if you can't hear me, you're probably not hearing this. Click the button that is right on the right here and things. Okay, we're going. Okay. You guys are probably so entertained right now. I'm not even moving. And I am a zebra. I'm on a zebra. I'm on a zebra. I'm on a zebra. And I have no idea. region, and if we like it there, we may or may not be trans-moving. Trans-moving is our kind of word for, you know, our kind of word for moving and being able to move back in life. Oh no, there's the ugly log ride. I hate the log ride. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. There's Jaguar. Yeah, and I'll be going on like every single ride. I'll even be going on like the big ones and Windseeker and stuff. So I can't really film those, except I'm going on everything except log ride, even the little kid ones. I know, right? I'm like a buzz. You guys want to see log ride? I know it, okay? Want to see it, but can't. Oh my God, I'm freezing. I'm freezing. No, I'm cold. The wind. It's worse than Windseeker. Where is mine? Oh my God, this is longer than I want it to be. No real reason why I agreed to go on this. I want to just jump off. And my longest video ever. I've been filming for like 2 hours. Okay. Like, I've been filming other videos for my other channel, my gaming channel, where I was playing a bunch of arcade games and lost every single one. What? We're good, aren't we? I want a feathery tail. Okay. Okay. Is it stopping? Please be stopping. I can't tell because I'm not moving. Okay, we're stopping. That's my little brother. Okay. We're stopping. Finally! Get off Zorsey. It looks like a Zorse, kind of. Like I ever had one, though.
Welcome back, riders. Your time on the merry-go-round is slowly coming to an end. Please remain seated.
She's talking to me.
Until the ride comes to a full and complete stop. Then follow the elevator.
I'm so proud of myself.
Very far from America's first theme park. Please close the gate. Please close the gate. Thank you.
Thank you. You already get off. She's stuck. Step here.
Oh, it's hard for me.
I just filmed me helping you. Okay, so I'm gonna go on a so-called big ride, and no, I'm gonna film a little more. Baby. Okay. That's a goat. I thought that was a chicken. Honestly, I did. Is there chicken? Okay, there's ours. Okay, everything. I talk too much. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys later. Goodbye.